If you are still confused about what exact business to start, especially as we are entering into the new year, then congratulations on finding this video, because in this video, I'm going to help you to get clear on the exact things that you can start as a business that is actually disguising in your daily routine and everyday life, and you are not even paying attention to, that can be a profitable business for you. So if this is something that interests you, or this kind of information is what you have been looking out for, then stay good to the end of this video, because I even have a free gift that will help you to discover exactly the next business that you can start from your daily routine and everyday life that you have been used to. Hi, my name is Entrepreneurial Eriolua. If this is your first time of seeing me or coming across my video, welcome. I've been waiting for you. So what I do on my channel, Entrepreneurial Eriolua, is that I help people to discover businesses that they are not even thinking of, in places they might not even been seeing, and I help you to discover, then help you to start and to grow your businesses so that it becomes something very profitable for you. And I share my practical business tips and entrepreneurship lessons that I have learned so far in over a decade of being an entrepreneur. If this kind of information is what you'd always want to learn from and hear from, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that when I post new videos, at least you'll be the first person to get the information that can totally transform everything about your life. It doesn't cost anything, it is free. So let's get straight into the video for today. So if you have been looking at what exact business can you do, or what exact thing can you start, I'm glad to tell you that there's so many things that you have been doing every single day that are just disguising as business opportunities that you're not even paying attention to. And I'm going to be listing a whole lot of them in this video, at least about 10 of them. I'm going to help you to analyze so that you can even know exactly how to spot them and exactly how to turn them into profitable businesses. According to Forbes, over 60% of small business owners actually said that their businesses started from what they just call as normal hobbies, what they took as normal hobbies. And these kind of businesses are actually sustainable, because many of these business owners find it just as pleasure and not as pressure. And that can also be you, okay? You don't have to start anything so huge, nothing too big. It's just something that you probably have been doing before that you're not paying attention to. And like I said, I'm going to help you to spot it out in this video. So let's start with the first one that I have on my list. The first one actually is cooking. And why I love this one is because it's even more practical with me. I started my catering business, where I have shared it on this channel before in several videos in the past. You can go over my videos to check out. I started my catering business where I started catering to the bank out of, my love for cooking. I just discovered, the strength I had, which was cooking. And a lot of people attested to the fact that I cook well. Okay, so that business, I built it from what I've been enjoying doing, and that is cooking. So if you love cooking, you shouldn't just, sweep it under the ground or under the table. You can start a business from cooking. You can start a cooking vlog. You can start teaching people how to cook. If you have anything in your, that is a special recipe, you can put it together, start selling, digital products of your recipes. There are diverse ways. You can start a blog that's, write out recipes and share a lot of things, and you can earn through affiliate marketing and through whatever other means by sharing all this, your content. So the first one is cooking. If you enjoy cooking and you can spot that out for yourself, then you can do your business in any of the ways that I have listed before, or you can just, turn it into a brick and mortar business, which is going to be offering and rendering cooking services to people or to companies or to individuals or organizations. The next one is cleaning. If you enjoy cleaning, if you like taking spaces and making them rearranged and all that, you can definitely start that as a business. I know a lot of people that, they don't like to spot any kind of dirt or scattered environments. And I know many of them that have started decluttering businesses with that. A lot of people find decluttering and, cleaning to be a lot of stress. But if you enjoy doing it and you can't just go by the day without doing cleaning services or decluttering or reorganizing, then that can be a business waiting for you to expand and eat on it, especially as you're going into the new year. So don't sleep on it, okay? Do what you can do to expand it, explore it, and see how you can actually advance it and make it into something very sustainable. The third one, let me just say the other part of the cleaning is laundry. If you like doing laundry, you can't go in a day without putting your dirty items, your dirty clothes together. You just can't afford to spot dirty clothes piling up. then that can be a signal to you that you should start a laundry business. Because I tell you, there's so many busy professionals, so many people, nursing mothers, a lot of people who are daily looking for how to get their laundry done, how to make everywhere kempt, and they don't want to start piling up clothes. If this is something that you already do and it's daily interest to you, you can definitely structure it into a business and make it a sustainable one. And like I always say on this channel, you don't even have to be the one to do it personally. You can just gather people around who can help you out, and then you're just going to be the one supervising the whole business processes. So definitely you can start that laundry business, which is also another part of cleaning business. The fourth one is fitness. If you're already into fitness, like you do your daily fitness routine and you do it so seamlessly, it doesn't even give you any stress. I know like 1,001 people who always go to the gym, and they definitely, as the year goes by, they just stop doing it. But if you do it successfully, it is fun for you. You can put whatever thing that gives you that energy and that zeal to keep going, you can put it together to teach other people, to gather other people, and turn that into a business. And people love communities, people love people that they do things together and they get results. So you can definitely do that. Teach people the fitness, gather people, help them to see how they can continue. And, it's a win-win for everybody. Everybody has something that they want to achieve with the fitness journey. As long as you're helping them to be able to achieve that, then they would gladly pay you, and that turns into a sustainable business for you. So please don't sleep on that. If it's something that you enjoy doing, why not turn it into a business and, start earning from it? Okay, the fifth one is, if you like to actually tell stories. See, everything that we do in life, every of our daily experiences and routines are stories that are particular to, individual of us. If you like to tell stories, if you like to share your experiences, you can definitely start an educational, content space online. You can go to YouTube, share your stories as educational content. If you are able to do this, you would be surprised at the way people will learn from your stories. People will begin to now see, wow, I can do my things in this way. Those your experiences that are particular to you, that are specific to you, they are very important lessons that you might have just been, sweeping under the carpet. You can put this storytelling ability into creating educational content. And when people begin to learn from you, you'll be so surprised at how many lives you will actually be impacting. And that is one way, to start a sustainable business, because you will be impacting lives. You will even be, enjoying it. You are doing it with pleasure, and it will not be in any form of pressure for you. So it can be a sustainable business that you can, definitely start. So don't put yourself in any corner, or don't underlook what you have. Your experiences are unique. They are beautiful stories that can change other people's life and impact them. So you can earn from doing that while you are also, impacting other people. Another thing, which is the sixth one, actually, is gardening. If you love gardening, if you love, eco-friendly stuff, you like nature and all of that, you can definitely teach people. You can definitely create content around that. You can definitely sell products that can help people to also do these things successfully. You enjoy it and you're turning it into a business. It's something you do, seamlessly. Then it can be a business for you. See, the reality is that many times we always look for one huge idea, one big thing. These little things around us that we do every day can actually be the seed that God has put in our hands that can actually blow us up and make us to be solutions, world class solutions to other people's problems. So don't discard whatever thing you have. If you love gardening, turn it into a business. I know many people on this YouTube street that what they show is their gardening, their gardening experience and their gardening skills. You can also be one of them. And then you can do affiliate marketing for some of the items you sell, and you earn as you teach and as you sell those products for other people that want to also use them to use. Okay, so the next one on my list is skincare and daily skincare routine. If you know how to keep your skin well moisturized, looking so elegant and all that, I can tell you that a lot of people have issues with their skin, like they have skin problems. If you know the remedies, if you know the all the things that you put together that make skin problems to be cleared off or whatever. People have acne, people have so many skin disorders. If you know how to put it together, even though it is what you enjoy doing for yourself, you can teach people. You can start reviewing skincare products. There are no different things you can definitely do with all these things. It might be a natural, daily routine for you that you make sure your skin is well taken care of. You know how many cups of water or something that people can, that you use, that works for you and people can also replicate. My sister, my brother, that is a serious morning spinning business idea that you are just looking at and doing nothing about. Please take action. Do something about it. Start teaching people, start reviewing products, start telling people the normal home remedies they can use for whatever thing. And you will actually be surprised at how that, teaching or that thing can help people to get results, and they will be glad, very willing to pay you. Okay, the next one, I think that should be the 7th one, if I'm not mistaken, is hair care. See, if you know anything about hair care, and even especially if it is natural hair, then you are sleeping on a huge big market, because many people are now looking for how to even start their natural hair care journey, or even if it is just normal general hair care. You can teach people, you can do hair styling, you can review hair products, a lot of things that you can do. If you love to make sure that your hair is fine, every day people are always, hyping you about your hair being so straight, being well packed and all that, then that is a serious business idea that you can definitely build on. And you can actually, you can niche down. You can even do just hair styling for brides. I mean, there are different ways you can explore that, okay? So please don't sleep on it. Make sure that you're looking into something sustainable that you can actually build from all these kinds of, daily routines. The next one is talking. If you love to talk, I mean, I love to talk and I'm impacting life by doing that. You can also do that. It doesn't have to be anything excessive. See, I always tell people that what you have inside of you is more than enough. As long as you have this creativity in you, it's a capital. And I've said that on my channel several times. Creativity capital is what you need to start whatever thing that you need, okay, that you need to start as a business. As long as you can talk, then look at how you can package your talking. If you can do voiceovers, you can do voiceovers. You can even give your voice, on platforms where people use other people's voices to create content, and you will get royalty for doing that. I've spoken about how you can use your voice to make money on this channel before. You can go over that video. You understand? You can do voice note vault. There's something called voice note vault where you don't even need to show your face. Only your voice is what you put together, package together, teach people, and you are going to be building a brand for yourself, okay? Another one, which is that should be the 9th one now, is if you like to do shopping. If you always go, it doesn't become stress for you to go shopping for whatever thing each day, then that can be a business for you. You can shop for people, you can be a personal shopper, you can help people to get items, you can show people where they can get items at cheaper rates or specific items at different locations, and that can come in as content. People are looking for information. See, if you have what people are looking for, they will be willing to pay for. In fact, these days people don't want to go through any stress or whatever. They just want the result where they will go straight, they will get the result straight. If you know where people can shop for things that they need straight, you can put that out as content. You can begin to shop for people. A lot of things that you can actually do with that, okay? So if you love shopping, why not? You can become a personal shopper and whatever, like that. Then I think we have on the 10th one. The 10th one that I will share is if you love to help people to organize, to brand, to put things together, you know how to, to arrange colors, to put everything together. You can actually, have a personal brand that will show people how to organize, how to decorate, how to make, how to turn something small into something very, very beautiful. Maybe a space, an empty space, how to recreate it, or how to, organize their content, maybe their writing, their write-ups, maybe journaling. You know how to organize in writing, for example. You can begin to teach people on how to journal, on templates for journaling. These things are online. People are paying and buying, digital products on how to create journals for, write journals for maybe the year, for the week, things like that. It might seem regular with you, but people are paying to get these results. If you know how to do it seamlessly, then look for how you can monetize it. I mean, it doesn't have to be any one huge idea that you are looking at. Small ideas like this are actually what makes people to turn into global solutions for people's problems. So no matter the point of this video is, no matter what you are already used to, that you're doing daily, that looks like just normal routine, and people are coming back to you for it, or people are appreciating you when you do it for them, or people are saying thank you, then that is a big pointer to the fact that you can turn that thing into a business. And I want to be sure that at least this video has informed you or educated you or inspired you in one way or the other to see the things that you are not even seeing as business opportunities. So your results will vary based on the action that you put into it. So I'm not promising you that you're going to start making money immediately. It depends on how you are able to take action and the strategies you're able to put in place to now structure these things into a business. That is what will determine your results. Okay, information is very important. To stay ahead of others, you need to stay informed to know how to be able to put that information into action. And that is why I have prepared for you the Discover Your Perfect Blueprint free guide that can give you every detail. If you just impute everything you need to impute in that worksheet, it will help you to analyze which of these businesses you can actually start with immediately. The link to that blueprint or that worksheet is actually in the description of this video. It is a free one. I created it with the intention to help you gain clarity on exactly how you want to start up any of the ideas that you have in your mind as a business. So please feel free to download it, and please feel free to share this video with other people, and especially subscribe to the channel so that you'll get more information that can totally transform your life and help you become the person that you really desire to become. Bye.